Bifrost wallet staking is one of the most efficient ways to earn passive income in crypto when done correctly. This method focuses on maximizing yield while minimizing unnecessary risks and fees. Everything starts with funding your Bifrost wallet using supported assets such as DOT, KSM, or other parachain tokens available in the ecosystem. Always ensure the wallet is updated to the latest version to avoid staking errors and reward delays. Once funded, navigate to the staking or earn section inside the Bifrost wallet. Select liquid staking rather than traditional locked staking. Liquid staking allows you to stake your assets while receiving derivative tokens that represent your staked value. This approach keeps your capital flexible and unlocks additional earning opportunities through DeFi without waiting for long unbonding periods. Choose validators with consistent uptime, moderate commission rates, and strong historical performance. Avoid chasing the highest advertised returns, as unstable validators can lead to slashed funds or missed rewards. Spread your stake across multiple validators to reduce risk and stabilize daily earnings. After staking, regularly compound your rewards. Reinvesting earned tokens increases your staking balance and accelerates growth over time. Even small rewards, when compounded consistently, can significantly improve long-term returns. Monitor validator performance weekly and redelegate if performance drops. To optimize earnings further, use your liquid staking tokens within supported DeFi pools on Bifrost. This creates an additional yield layer on top of staking rewards. Always track gas fees and transaction costs in dollars to ensure profits outweigh expenses. Security is critical. Enable wallet security features, back up your seed phrase offline, and avoid signing unknown transactions. Staking rewards are not guaranteed, but following this method provides a balanced strategy focused on sustainability, flexibility, and steady dollar-denominated growth over time.